Uh, Man, all this testing is so tiresome. Better get some sleep. Mm, Actually, I should get something to eat before I go to sleep. Uh, yeah. Mm. Where's my bed? There's my bed. Yes, hello, little one. I've missed you so much. Mm. Yay! Morning in Minecraft. Now, let's get to work. Now, as you could have guessed already by the title, this is going to be a tutorial for this elevator. Now I've taken the liberty of preparing the setup with some smooth stone and some wool beforehand, because it's actually quite annoying to do all this layout and quite boring, to be honest. Okay, so let's get building, shall we? Now let's just put a detector here from RailCraft, so we can, I'll explain what that does later. This is going to be, of course, our first floor. We are going to put a boarding rail, as you can see over here. This is going to be our elevator. Oh, there you have it, elevator rail. Okay, and let's do this setup for both floors. Again, I'll explain that a little bit later. I just need to put that there because we don't have to destroy blocks later. Okay, so I have a cart over here. I want to get over there. Now, how do I do that? Of course, I want to use a button. Now, I've used colored wool over here and over there because it's I don't know, it's easier to work with colored wool, but you of course can use signs if you wish it. As this is a combination of RedPower and RailCraft, we will of course use all of this stuff over here. So for now we finished with the rails. Okay, let's get this in our hotbar and start building. Now, when I push this button over here, I want a few things to happen. First of all, I want to power this boarding rail over here. Second of all, I want to power this elevator rail all the way to the top, almost to the top. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to take you with a step-by-step, because it's better this way if you want to learn. Okay, so basically if I do this right here, oh pardon me, nothing happens, but you get that cart pushed away. Okay, so that's one good thing, of course. Now in order to get that power over to on the other side, we need to put some red power over there, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, of course, and power that baby up. What color is that? Black. Okay, so we want that black over here, and I'm going to put some bundled cable, because on the long run, if you want to use this for more than one floor, you're going to need this bundled cable, and of course this over here. And let's see what happens now. So that elevator rail is getting power, but only for a brief time. So how do I get that to stay powered? Well, I'm going to use a toggle latch over here. You see what I did there? I put that knowingly. Okay, so let's try this again. Well, this is something. Okay, this is something. I like this, I like this. So let's do the same thing over here. Okay, we want to power this baby up whenever we push that button. Okay. But if I do this right now, let me just show you guys. Yeah, that elevator rail needs to be depowered because I need to get on the second floor. Yeah. Well, how the hell could I do that? First of all, as it is now, we are not getting any power through the black line over there. Let me just show you. Okay, so that's not powered for now. So I just need, when I power that over there, for this toggle latch to get untoggled, sort of say. Okay, so that's why I need that detector from the RailCraft over here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I know. And there you have it. Actually, that detector unfortunately is for players, so nothing will happen. But if I get into the cart, yeah, it works. Let's see what happens if I get back. Okay, this is nice, this is nice. Okay, let's get back again. Whoa, what happened? Oh, no, I don't want this, I don't want this. So let's see what happens now. When I get over this detector again, okay, it gets powered and basically toggles this latch over here. So in order for me to be able to get up and then down again, let's see what our bow, yeah, let's see if we can do this again. Okay, so take it from the top. This works, no problems. Okay, but when I go this, yeah, so I need to use here something else because this is not working for me. Let me get that guy over there. I need to use another toggle latch over here. Okay, so if I pass over this again, that will get powered. Okay, so I need to get this one over that way. So as you can see now, this line is powered. Let's see what happens now. Oh, something bad happened again, darn it. Okay, now it works, and now it works again. Okay, so you just needed a little bit of reset over there. That's all, because I reset this manually. So when I reset that manually, I didn't reset this one. Okay, so now this system should work no problems, but this is just for one floor. So if I want to use this for multiple floors, I just have to do the same thing over here. Let me just turn that guy. Alright, and put some cabling over here. Alright, another toggle latch over here. Make sure that is powered off. And this one is the white level, so that is exactly like that. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Cross your fingers. Alright, this is nice, this is nice, this is working as planned. Good. Now there is an additional problem when you are using multiple levels. As you can see here, I have some repeaters. Don't mind this little guy, was tasting a little bit. I have some repeaters over here. Why is that? Because as you can see here, when I power this, let me just take this guy from here. When I power that button over there, that pulse is getting through here. But if I have multiple guys over here, let's say we have another level like that, okay, well, this is not working for me because I want to power this one but not this one, or maybe this one but not this one. So I have to use some covers for that in order to separate those. Okay, so I'm separating this over here, but I still need to power from there, the power from that guy to go over here. So that's why we are using repeaters. Okay, repeater over here, repeater over here. What a repeater does is allows the current to go one way but not the other. Okay, so when I power that one, this entire line gets powered but not this one. So that's why when you have multiple levels, you need also to make repeaters over here. So as you can see, I have this set up for all my floors. Whoa, I always forget I have that armor. That was a pulse former. I needed that in some other testing, but yeah. So as you can see, this is the basic setup. And let me just show you now what you need to be careful with. As you can see, the floor that the cart is on has this line powered, okay, which is kind of nice. This actually isn't supposed to be like that, it's supposed to be like that, but no worries. So this floor that has like this should be powered, okay, that has the cart on it, and all these latches are supposed to be off like that, and this latch over here is like this, and the other ones, all the other ones are opposites. Okay, so let's try this again. Now let's see how that looks. Oh, come on. As you can see, the cart is on that floor, that line is powered, the other ones are off. Okay, and let's take a look at the latches. As you can see, the toggle latches are all off. Okay, so let's go to the third floor and you'll see that is all the same. Okay, let's see if we can get here on, okay, safely. So as you can see, the cart is on that level, okay, which is nice, and all those latches are powered off. Okay, this line over here is not actually a problem. As you can see, because it is powered, it is keeping this elevator rail also powered. I find this quite good, even though actually the cart can't be moved. Oh, what happened? Can't be moved from a boarding rail. I like it to be that way. Oh, and of course now the latch here is on, and we don't want that. But yeah, if you don't like this, you basically need to break that and make a larger loop, just like this. Okay, let me just turn off this latch because it got powered again. So as you can see, there is no problem now, but it's just a small thing. I happen to like it, so yeah, let's see what happens again. and as you can see, that is turned off over here. No biggie, that's just a small preference. So this is about it for this tutorial. I have worked for about 2 days on this one because it was mostly trial and error. Initially I had this setup over here with which I wanted to use computer craft, but the bloody thing doesn't want to work as well as I had hoped with buttons. It pretty much works flawlessly with levers, but what the hell am I going to use levers on? Yeah, this is it for now, guys. Please rate, comment and subscribe, it really helps a lot, and as always, don't forget to be awesome. Ciao.